Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Mercedes Benz E Class. So if we click home button there, then we use the control. I think you can either, if you go to system, let's say, you've got Bluetooth devices there. Click on Bluetooth devices. It's saying connect device, no device connected. But if we then click to the right and go Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, you'll see there's a further menu on the right hand side. So click again to the right, and then you've got deauthorize. That's what we want to do. Click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize the following device? Barry's iPhone 12? Yes. That's it gone.